Awareness of the present moment never seems to have been so important as today. In the instantaneous and unfounded dynamics of changes, every moment is a historical moment of humanity. With every action, movement, we shape the future of all of us and all those who follow. Therefore, 9 partners, contemporary investigative art producers, tactical media, public cultural centers and art academy, all based in Slovenia, join their efforts in the konS, Platform for Contemporary Investigative Art, to establish an active research, production and presentation, dissemination network, to create improved conditions for research, development and realization of contemporary investigative art projects.
Our project konS is structured on 3 levels. On the first level, which is meant to be capacity building, we are working with kids, young adults, and also with certain groups of adults people. Capacity building means that they get in contact with this paradigm of working together, artists, scientists, and engineers. In a second level, we are collaborating with already formed artists, scientists, and engineers, of course, in labs where the artists are developing their own artistic projects together with the experts. The third level, it's called PRAKSA. It's kind of solution lab, which is inspired by the previous 2 activities. From the level of capacity, the innovation catalysts in a third level are actually creating an art market for intermediate arts, where they are capitalizing what is happening in our laboratories and selling them on real sector. We can invest that money back into production and back into investigative learning. So being non-for-profit, we created an ecosystem where we are able to participate in creating a better, more sustainable and ethical future.
The Park of the konS project aims to establish a network of hubs that will strengthen the connection between art, science and business in all of the participating cities, raising and reinforcing awareness among local residents and communities. In service of expanding and understanding new technologies, we are setting up 4 hubs, dynamic points for execution of many different activities across the country. The hubs will be formed in Maribor, Velenje, Novo Mesto and Ljubljana, and will serve as meeting points for progressive thinking individuals or groups, and will try to inspire youth to work in communities where everyone can reach their full potential. The hubs are meant not only for children and youth, but for everyone interested in active participation and creation in the field of safe, sustainable and ethical use of new technologies. We offer individuals access to main equipment and professional connections, which we share within our network of regional hubs. Artists, scientists, engineers and other forward-thinking individuals can create in our hubs, where they witness and engage in creative clashes between professionals from multiple fields of work, all while generating intergenerational dialogue and knowledge exchange.
We are establishing 3 labs for innovations on topics of artificial life, remote sensing, signals processing and robotics. In these labs, artists from the fields of contemporary investigative arts that were selected by the konS consortium will collaborate with institutions, engineers and other researchers working in the field of natural, technological and social sciences. The labs will connect and collaborate also with national institutes and universities according to the needs, of course, and will enable mutual research projects in order to create new opportunities for synergies. We are well aware that in order to solve specific challenges, it is necessary to select an appropriate group of experts that are fit to address the topics from which these challenges arise. Therefore, we plan to cooperate with various foreign experts in the field of art, science and economy as well. Together with our European partners who are also involved and enthusiastic in translating artistic ideas into solutions, we form a network of experts with whom we work to solve these specific challenges.
We are taking these new, strange, strong ideas, and we are trying to transfer them into a possible scenario, into a possible solutions, into a possible products. Working with all these people that are growing in these two other activities, we are trying to educate a special profile of innovation designers who are leading design processes. We call them innovation catalysts, that are using art thinking and design thinking combined with challenges that are coming from the outside, and they are trying to propose new projects, new solutions, new scenarios, something we call radical innovation.
Through art projects that challenge our senses and mind, new spaces of thought sprout, new spaces that presuppose existing epistemologies. Are we ready for the future?